Manmachine Works, the pioneers of cleaning business in India since 1987, brings to you world-class car washers in association with ANNOVI REVERBERI leaders in high-pressure systems since 1958 that will save you up to Res 5 lakhs per year. We are the only company that offers you a wash system based on number of cars you do per day or per bay, so you can choose the right pump for your workshop. For up to 10 cars per day, BC 780. Up to 15 to 20 cars, HRC PRO. Up to 25 to 30 cars, HRK PRO. Commercial heavy-duty wash, HRG PRO. All our car washers come with standard Quick Connect systems that makes cleaning fast and fun for operators to change all accessories such as foam bottle, wax bottle, and underbody lance with zero wear and tear. Our car washers are produced for Indian conditions and come standard with 10 micron filters to take care of water quality and motors that handle our voltage fluctuations. Our unique car washers have complete ceramic pistons and gun stop mechanism, unlike most other car washers, for longer service life. Our smart car wash system includes innovative boom technology and rotating underbody wash that saves time and money, besides making it a truly international system. It has been tested that our car washers save you up to 50% water, 30% electricity, and also save 30% manpower, besides producing shining cars and happy customers. Also, cost of ownership of car washers is very economical, with up to 50% savings on accessories and spare parts over nearest competitors. That is why our car washers are approved by many 2- and 4-wheeler manufacturers. Our car washers are sold and serviced at 56 locations across the country and supported by a national service helpline number.
Call us 825-230-0400.
So what are you waiting for? Call us
825-230-0400
for a demonstration and see the Manmachine difference.